Hello everyone, this is Akshay Jayaprakash and in today's maths class we will be looking at construction. Let's begin. Question 1. Construct a triangle PQS such that PQ is equal to 4.5 cm, PS is equal to 4 cm and SQ is equal to 5.4 cm. Construct another triangle P-QS- similar to triangle PQS with side S-Q is equal to 7.2 cm. The steps for construction of this question is as follows. Since P-QS- is similar to triangle PQS, we have S-Q by SQ that's equal to 7.2 by 5.4 is equal to P-Q by PQ is equal to P-S- by PS that's equal to 4 by 3. Therefore, we need to construct a triangle P-QS- with the lengths of the new triangle being 4/3 of the corresponding lengths of the triangle PQS. So let's start off by first drawing a line segment QS is equal to 5.4 cm. With Q as a center and radius equal to PQ that's equal to 4.5 cm, draw an arc. With S as a center and radius PS is equal to 4 cm, draw another arc. Now join PQ and PS to obtain a triangle PQS. Next, to construct the triangle P-QS-, we need to first make uh, an acute angle SQX below QS. Along QX, mark off 4 points, which is the greater of 4 and 3 in 4 by 3, and name it Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4 such that the distance between each point is same. Join Q3S and draw a line through Q4 parallel to Q3S, intersecting the extended line segment QS at S-. Draw a line through S- parallel to PS, intersecting the extended line segment QP at P-. Therefore, the triangle obtained P-QS- is the required triangle, each of whose side is 4/3 the corresponding sides of the triangle PQS. Question 2. Draw a right triangle in which the sides other than hypotenuse are of length 4 cm and 3 cm. Then construct a triangle similar to it and of scale factor 5 by 3. Let's start off by first drawing a line segment AB equal to 4 cm. Now construct 90° at point A. With A as a center and radius AC equal to 3 cm, draw an arc. Join AC and BC to obtain triangle ABC. Below AB, make an acute angle BAX. Along AX, mark off 5 points. 5 is chosen because it's the greater of 5 and 3 in 5 by 3. And name it A1, A2 and so on up to A5 such that the distance between the points are same. Next, join A3B and draw a line through A5 parallel to A3B intersecting the extended line segment AB at B'. Draw a line through B' parallel to BC intersecting the extended line segment AC at C'. The triangle obtained AB', C' is the required triangle, each of whose side is 5/3 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. We notice that the lengths of the triangle AB', C' is AC dash is equal to 5 cm, B', C' is equal to 8.4 cm, and AB' is equal to approximately 6.67 cm. Question 3. Draw a triangle ABC with side BC equal to 7 cm, angle B equal to 45°, angle A equal to 105°. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 4 by 3 times the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. Let's start off by drawing the line segment BC equal to 7 cm. It's given that the angle at B is 45° and the angle at A is 105°. So since the sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180°, the angle at C can be found out as 180 minus of 45 plus 105, which gives us 30°. Now let's construct these angles at B and C respectively. And suppose that the lines that make 45° at B and 30° at C are called BX and CY and they intersect at A. The triangle ABC can be obtained, which is the given triangle at the question. Next, construct an acute angle CBZ on B. that's opposite to the vertex A of triangle ABC. Mark of 4 points that's greater of 4 and 3 in 4 by 3 and name it B1, B2, B3 and B4 such that the distance between the 2 points are the same. Join B3 and C and draw a line through B4C dash parallel to B3C intersecting the extended line segment BC at C dash. Next, draw a line through C dash parallel to CA intersecting the extended line segment BA at A dash. A dash B C dash is the required triangle, each of whose side is 4/3 the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Question 4. Draw a circle of radius 1.5 cm. Take a point P outside it. Without using the center, draw two tangents to the circle from the point P. So the steps for constructing the tangent to a circle when the center of the circle is not known is as follows. First, draw a circle with radius 1.5 cm. Take a point P outside the circle and draw a secant PAB intersecting the circle at A and B. Produce AP to C such that AP is equal to CP. Draw a semicircle with CB as the diameter. Draw PD perpendicular to CB intersecting the semicircle at D. With P as the center and PD as the radius, draw arcs to intersect the given circle at T and T dash. Join PT and PT dash. PT and PT dash are the required tangents. Question 5. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 5 cm, BC is equal to 6 cm and AC is equal to 7 cm. Then construct another triangle whose sides are 3 by 5 times the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. Let's start off again by drawing the side of the triangle which is the largest, and in this case it's AC, which is equal to 7 cm. With A as the center and radius AB equal to 5 cm, draw an arc. With C as the center and radius BC is equal to 6 cm, draw another arc. Join AB and BC to obtain triangle ABC. Below AC, make an acute angle BAX. Along AX, mark of 5 points that's greater of 3 and 5 in 3 by 5 and name it A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 such that the distance between the points are same. Join A5 and C. Since we have to construct a triangle whose side is 3/5 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC, take 3 parts of the 5 equal parts on AX, that is point A3. Draw A3C dash parallel to A5C, meeting AC at C dash. From C dash, draw B dash C dash that's parallel to BC, meeting AB at B dash. AB dash C dash is the required triangle, each of whose side is 3/5 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. And it's found out that AC dash is equal to 4.2 cm, AB dash is equal to 3 cm, and B dash C dash is equal to 3.6 cm. Thank you.